Hello, what's up? What's up? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to buy perfect money, which is USD, directly to with your Naira Bank account. So let's get it. First, you're gonna do is to go to your perfect money site. Make sure you are logged in to your perfect money. Once you know you're logged into your perfect money, for this tutorial purpose, that's why I'm logging in. But if you know your account number, you can copy it. Go to under my account. You can see it's here. You tap on your my account. As you can see under my account, I have different types of accounts. I have a dollar account, I have a pounds account, and have a Britain, what do you call it, pounds account, and Europe, and even Bitcoins account. So you can see this with dollar sign. The one I have with my USD, as you can see, is with U. It's starting with U, with the U later, capital letter. So make sure you copy this account number. You can either open it and tap on it and copy it, or you write it down on a book or in a paper. You write it somewhere. Make sure you copy it properly and make no mistakes. Once you copy it, what you're going to do is to go to this website. I'll be writing down all the website names down in the description. The site name is TrueXGold. TrueXGold.com. It's a Nigerian site where you can buy different kind. You can exchange different types of currencies. You can make an exchange. It's like a forex. Once you visit this site, it's going to be like this. It's going to be exactly like this. And as you can see, you can change different types of currency, planet of bets and the rest of them, perfect money and the rest of them. What are you going to send and are you going to receive? For this, I think I'm going to send a Naira, and then I can use my Naira to buy Bitcoin and other, even perfect money and the other currencies. You can also sell your Bitcoins or you sell your perfect money. Once you sell your perfect money, you receive in Naira. So what you're going to do is, our main aim is to buy perfect money with Naira. So tap on Naira and then scroll down and then choose perfect money as what you want to receive. When you tap on that, you wait for it to load. When it loads, this is what is going to happen. The minimum you can exchange from this site is 3,650, and approximately I think that's about a 3,650 is about almost $8, $8 to $9. So, and you can see depending on the exchange rate. The exchange rate now is 444, but how much do I want to change? Let's say, for example, I want to make 10,000. I want to change 10,000 naira to perfect money. If I want to change 10,000 naira to perfect money, you can see I will receive $22, 51 cents or 52 cents approximately. That's what I'm going to receive. And my perfect money account number is where you're going to paste the account number which you copied from perfect money. You paste it here. As you can see, starting with you. As for me, because I've been using it, has been a common thing for me. It's already saved. The data is saved already there. Put in all your details and your email address and then your phone number. Make sure you prefix it with plus with your country code. If you're in Nigeria, you can prefix it with +234 followed by your phone mobile number 8 or whatever it starts with. As you can see, you put it with your mobile number, and then you solve this little puzzle, which is 5 times 5 is 25. You just put in 25 and then you say exchange. Good. When you say exchange, make sure you check all these your details and make sure that they are very correct. If they are correct, then you agree to the terms and agreement. You can open the terms and agreement, but for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to skip it. Just tap on agree. I agree with the terms and agreement, terms and the read agreements and terms and conditions. Create order. When you click on create order, the next thing is going to show you is how to make the payment of your Naira. One thing you're going to do is, this is your order ID. Make sure you copy it and write it down. Should, in case of a future reference, copy it down. Log in into your mobile account and then transfer the sum of 10,000 naira into their following bank account. This is their account. Please make sure you're making only one-time payment to this account, and always it might be changing. So just copy it down and keep it. The account name is through X Access Resources, GT Bank, and the account number is given below. When you are making any payment, in the description of maybe any review or remark where you're going to, make sure that your order invoice, which is here, TXG6133, is your order remark. Don't make any mistake of putting any comment like I'm buying perfect money, or as you can see it's here, paying for perfect money, or perfect money payment, or just perfect money. Don't write anything perfect money. Even if you're buying Bitcoin, don't write anything like Bitcoin. Just make sure you put the order invoice which they ask you to put, which is here. Mine is different, yours might be different too, and make sure you copy it and put it down correctly. So when you you go to your app and make the payment, my Zenith Bank mobile app is in my second phone, which I might not be able to cover it. If not, I would have done it like this. And make sure that you have done the transfer. Once you have done the transfer of 10,000 naira and put in this TXG whatever order invoice as the remark, then you come here and say paid. Once you have made the payment, just tap on paid. Once you tap on paid, it will show you congratulations, and then all you're just going to do is to sit back and wait for 5 to 30 minutes. It will be credited to your perfect money. So once it's credited to your perfect money account, what you're going to do is to go back to your perfect money, and you will see your money will be credited to your perfect money account USD. You will receive a notification. It will be at the top of here. If you want to know if you have received it, it will show you the amount which you received. This because we did 10,000 and it will give us $22. It will be shown here, and the batch will be there. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can message me or mail me directly at mubarakabakarbako@gmail.com. I will respond to you as soon as I get it. Thank you for watching.